Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Kobalt AC-6H, which is a non-contact voltage tester. It comes with everything you see here. So you get your tester, battery, not batteries. It says it comes with batteries, but it only takes one AAA battery. This is an AC voltage detector. It ranges from 50 volts to 1000 volts. Frequency range is 50 hertz to 60 hertz. System has a self-test. Safety category is Cat 4. Auto power off after 5 minutes. It's got a silent mode, an audible mode, low battery. No green light will come on if the battery's low. This is only for testing AC voltage, not DC. Set it up, you unscrew the back. Take your battery. Positive end is going in first. Really small threads here, so you want to make sure that you actually put the cap on square, and then you want to push it in because it's got a little bit of a spring in it to get the compartment started. Get that closed. On-off switch is right there. Now this does have a silent mode if you want to use it in the silent mode. Silent mode, you have to have the system off. Press and hold power button and it'll give you a silent mode. The light flashes. Okay, now if you watch real close, it does have a self-test. The green light will flash twice. The self-test is in the actual instructions that after you turn it on, that you actually need to try and test it with an active outlet to make sure it works. So while you have the self-test, it doesn't mean anything if you still have to test it. I always do anyway. Now we're going to test an outlet. Remember our on-off switch, so we're going to turn it on. When you actually put it in to your outlet, you put it on one side, it's going to stay green. Put it in the other side, and it's going to beep. Power on. What I've got here is my power supply for my laptop. Comes out of the wall, AC. Comes out the other end, DC. So here's our DC end. As you can see, you get nothing on there, so it's not going to test for any DC power. But this is the converter itself right here. If I put that on there, it tells you if that is live, tells you your cord's live. So you can test it all the way down. Now when checking for light switches, most of them will not test with your actual cover on. So before you do any electrical work on any outlets or switches or anything like that, if you're going to change them out, then make sure you come to your breaker panel. Another use that you can use this for is if you got some lamps or something and you want to check, we've got the lamp plugged in and you want to check if you got power. You can check to make sure that you got power. You can also tell if you got the bulb. Great little unit, value for money. Has a lot of neat little features. Get yourself one of these.